Wow, this is majestic. Southern Gulf Islands. Yeah. Southern Gulf Islands. Beautiful. Lots of stinging nettle here. That's nice to see. Wow, look at the moss. The feeder log, hey? It's the feeder log. Oh, this is so cool, the feeder log. Wow, hello. But look at that, there's maples, cottonwoods. So this must have some surface water. Oh, look, gorilla in the mist. Yeah. Wow, look at the stinging nettle. Nice, hey? Got a good feast here. Stinging nettle. Look at this all through here. Animals have been here too, laying down. This is a wild forested area in the southern Gulf Islands, the very southern Gulf Islands. It's beautiful here. It's very peaceful. Seen a young Sasquatch run by earlier. Try to catch up to him. Look at all the food here. You can make dirty flour from this. Yeah. Dirty flour. Wow. This is like endless. Wow. Look at this place. It's endless. So I don't want too long of a video, but nice alder, cascara tree there, alder there, maple there, and some kind of mushrooms there. Mushrooms for wild edibles. Check her out. I'll leave a link in the description. But this is pretty heavy duty. Well, peace and love.